Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix Apple ID grayed out in settings. If your Apple ID is grayed out in your phone settings, you just need to fix it. For this, you just have to open your phone settings and here's your Apple ID. If you are stuck on your Apple ID and your Apple ID is grayed out, you just need to fix it up. So let's see how can we fix it. Just scroll down and here you'll get an option of screen time. Tap on it. Now scroll down again and here the other option, which is content and privacy restriction. Tap on it and here you can see the setting content and privacy restriction, which is enabled. You just have to disable it. Just tap on it and now you can see I am going to disable the setting. Enter your phone password and now I have successfully disabled it. Now go back and here you have another setting, which is change screen time passcode. Just tap on it and now you have to tap on turn off screen time passcode. Tap on it and then enter your passcode again. So now you have successfully fixed your Apple ID grayed out restriction. And if you want fixed it, you just have to restart your phone. So scroll it down and here you will get a power option. Just keep a long press on it and then just power off your phone. So that's how you can fix your Apple ID grayed out restriction. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.